Do you want to change your Apple ID password without an old password? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Here's the step-by-step guide on how to reset your Apple ID passcode without an old password. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. To do that, open Settings, tap on Apple ID. After that, tap on Sign and Security. Here, you can see the Change Password option. Tap on it and unlock your screen lock. After that, you will get the new password interface. Then enter a new password. Retype again and tap on Change and your password will be changed. So, this is how you can change the Apple ID password without the old password. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And still, if you have any questions, then ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.